Eureka time! Today we are September 4th, 2020. Our lesson is 15 and our objective says, I can count on using different strategies. So we've been practicing counting on using different strategies, right? We'll go over these strategies in our lesson for today. Our key points are what? What do we need to know to be successful? We need to know how to count, what count on is, right? We also need to know about the equal sign. And this is an equal sign. Our plus sign, this is a plus sign. And we need to know about total or our whole number. And in our number bond, our total is here, or our whole number, right here in yellow. And we also need to know how a number sentence or an equation looks like. And you have an example right here. 2 plus 2 equals 4. How? How are we going to solve today's problems? Well, first, you would choose your strategy, which we will review in today's lesson. And then you're going to count on with the strategy that you chose. And third, you just complete the equation. 3 easy steps. Let's start. First strategy, boys and girls, you can count on using your thinking skills, meaning you're using your brain only, right? If you know, you know. So 5 plus 3 equals blank. So let's count on using our thinking skills. That means we're going to count on from 5 and count on 3 times using our brain because that's called using our thinking skills. Count with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 equals what number, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 8. Let's read the number sentence starting with 5. Get ready. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Awesome. So this strategy is easy, right? Some of us just use our brain. Those are called thinking skills. Next strategy we have is, and I forgot to mention that when you use your thinking skills, that's why the 5 is bigger, we say the biggest number first, and then we count on to the smaller number. So here, the 5 would be the bigger number, and since that's the bigger number, we count on to the smaller number, just like we did right now, by saying 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's continue. Or another strategy is we could use our fingers, right? So when we use our fingers, we count on our finger. We use our fingers, right? So let's count. Put out your hands, everybody's hands. Put them out. And we're going to count. Ready? Let's count the fingers on our hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers do we have in our hands, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 10. Awesome. So when we use our fingers and we have an equation like this, we say the biggest number first. Here, our biggest number is 6. So we know there's 6 lollipops in that bag, right? And then we hold up our fingers for the smaller part. Our smaller part is 2 because there's 2 lollipops on their own outside. So hold out your fingers for the smaller part. I'm going to wait. Everybody should be holding out 2 fingers. And as we count on, we're going to tap each finger like this. Ready? So we're going to start with 6. Count with me. 6, 7, 8. See how I tapped a finger for each lollipop? 2 fingers, 2 lollipops. Let's try it again. Starting with 6, count with me. Get ready. 6, 7, 8. So what is 6 plus 2, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 8. So let's go ahead and read the number sentence starting with 6. Get ready. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Awesome job. So that was our second strategy, using our fingers. And our last strategy is drawing dots, right? Well, this is something that can help us visualize and be able to count on for those of us that we don't want to use our thinking skills, or we find this easier. And it's kind of the same. So the biggest part, you say the biggest number, and you draw dots for the smaller part. Ready? So our biggest number is what number, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 7. And our small part is, yes, 3. So we draw 3 dots on top or on the bottom of the number. And we're drawing 3 dots because this is the number 3. And now all we're going to do is we're going to count on from 7, and we're going to count on by using the dots. Let me change my ink so that you guys are able to see. Ready? So count on from the bigger part. Get ready. 7, 8, 9, 10. So what's 7 plus 3, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 10. So we write a 10. Start with 7, and let's read our addition number sentence. Get ready. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Awesome job. So let's review really quick. We used 3 strategies. We used our thinking skills, we used our fingers, and we used drawing the dots to count on. So you have 3 strategies in order for you to be able to count on and check or figure out your total. So now it's your turn. Give me the total for 4 plus 2. You can write this problem on a sheet of paper if you want to draw the dots, or you can use your fingers or your thinking skills. If you already know, then you just wait with the answer. And on my signal, we're going to say the answer. What's 4 plus 2, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 6. Very good. So let me show you really quick how we would have used our strategies, our thinking skills. It's because you say the biggest number, 4, and you count on to the smaller number. 4, 5, 6. Or you could have used your fingers, remember? And for our fingers, you say the biggest number again, which is 4, and you put out 2 fingers for the smaller part, because this is the number 2. If it was 3, you would put out 3, but it's 2. So then you count on 4, 5, 6. So you still get the same answer, 6. Or you could have used your dots, where you say the biggest number and you draw the dots for the smaller number, which is 2. And then, wrong option. There we go. And then we would count on starting from 4. 4, 5, 6. And we still get the same answer, boys and girls. So these are 3 strategies you can use with counting on. Now, we're going to do the first problem of our problem set. But remember, before we do our problem set, we do idea 56 and 57. We always write our name, date, and goal. And the goal is up there for you all to see if you can't see on the small document camera. So go ahead and write your name, your date, September 4th, 2020, and the goal. Remember that if you need more time at any moment, you can just press pause and press play when you're ready to continue. So make sure that we always have our heading. And let's continue. If you need more time, press pause on the video. So number 1, it says, count on to add? Well, just like we did in lesson 14, right? How many crayons in the box? Get ready. 5. So everybody write a 5. Plus, how many crayons outside the box? Get ready. 1, right? So let's write a 1 for our other part. And now to find the total, we're going to count on. We say the biggest part, and our biggest part is 5. So 5, 6. So what's 5 plus 1, boys and girls? Get ready. Yes, 6. There are blank crayons altogether. How many crayons altogether? Get ready. Yes, 6 crayons altogether. And that's all you do, boys and girls. And you can choose to use your thinking skills. You could count on using the pictures just like I did, 5, 6. Or you can draw a dot even. You would draw 1 dot for this because this is just 1 crayon outside the box. Choose the best strategy and count on so you can find your answer. And remember, let's review our must-do problems so that you can already have them circled. Ready? Our must-do problems is letter C on that first page. So everybody circle letter C. Turn the page. And then all of these problems, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So make sure you circle all of those problems on this page. You can go ahead and press pause so that you have time to circle all your must-do problems. Remember, it's letter C from the first page, and from the back page, it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So all the problems on this side of the paper. Those are your must-do problems, boys and girls.